Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video we're going to be talking about stock market crash. If you should sell everything and be in all cash. In my opinion, you should always have a balance of cash and stocks and not have everything in stocks. But that's my opinion only, and also have a diverse portfolio. And on top of that, I also believe that if you can buy SPACs that are around $10, you're pretty much safe. Because if the market was to crash, the SPACs won't drop below $10. And you're safe on the SPACs that are close to the $10 mark. Because even if the market crashes, SPACs won't drop below $10. They might go down a little bit below 10 for a little bit, and then it'll pop back up again. And they're the fastest ones to recover because their limit cap is $10. They won't drop below that. Like last stock market crash, the SPACs went a little bit below 10, like 950, and then it popped back up really quick again. So this is just my opinion, but SPACs are pretty safe in a stock market crash, especially if they're really close to $10. But besides that, I think you should definitely focus more on the cash side and look for those and possibly swing trade. And the closer and closer we get to the president election, the more cash you should have in hand. But that's just my opinion. You can be a bull if you want. You can be a bear if you want. I don't care. This is just my opinion on what people should be doing. Giga metals. I bought some, and now I'm underwater. Oh well, that's just life. I didn't buy very much, but at least I have the cash and the option to buy more. Cause I'm a bull on this, and I really believe in this company. That there's some kind of works with Elon, because Elon needs nickel, and I think that this dip could be an opportunity to load more. But again, it can go down lower, so we'll see what happens. I wish I took my profit and then buy back more here. That would have been awesome. GameStop. The one company I'm bearish on is green today. Like, that just makes no sense. I mean, I get it, the PlayStation 5 and all that good stuff, but still, it just makes no sense to me. And then Nikola, like, come on, Nikola is green today when they're under investigation and the market is red. It just it makes no sense. And then Sony, which I expected to be, really green today, is only up a little bit. So that's just kind of dumb, but that's just the reality of the market right now. And Tesla is battery days coming, so it's really hard to be bearish on Tesla. Really, really hard. This is my opinion. GMHI. This is a prime example of a safe stock to buy in a stock market crash, because it won't go below $10 in my opinion. I mean, it might go back down to 10, but it won't go below 10. And if it does hit 10, that's just a buying opportunity. Even if the market isn't crashing and it just hits $10, that's just the lower and lower you could buy a SPAC like this. That's the better in my opinion. Workhorse will pop with the market crash. That's just my opinion. Solo Electric is definitely would crash, but it's doing not bad today. Consider how red the market is. And it says bullish, so I'm holding on to my Solo stock because the return on investment can be ridiculous, and it's already kind of near the bottom. But I could really bite myself in the butt with this one, because if the market crashes, Electromac could go down to $1, in my opinion. So, but I'll buy more if that happens. That's because I have cash. I have a balance of cash in stocks, and I could sell some off some of my SPACs if this thing goes to $1 to buy more. Will it? I don't know. I don't think so, but we'll see what happens. Kensington Capital Acquisition Corp. This this one's scary. I just sold this morning. I just okay, you know what? I need to balance my cash more, so I sold my position in this one. Not gonna get greedy in this market. This is too dangerous to me because the market crashes. This thing's going lower. Hennessy Capital Acquisition Corp is a good example of a good stock that protect you in a crash. Like if you can buy anywhere in the low 10s, that's perfect safety because you can always sell it for cash because it won't go any lower than 10. So it's a good option to buy. The lower and lower it goes. AMD should, it's hard because there's Zen 3 coming up, and it's just really hard to see this thing not pop when they announce the Zen 3 architecture. Nvidia, Nvidia is a hot stock, but it's a big giant bubble. But as long as that ARM acquisition is out there, I just can't see the market really crashing at Nvidia, in my opinion, but we'll see. Intel, what is Intel doing this morning? Intel is down 54 cents. DPAC, unfortunately, I can't sell this stock. I'm holding this long term. I don't care if the market crashes and this stock crashes with the market. I don't care. Because I just really believe in this company, and I just think that if this thing goes down to like $10 again, if the market crashes, everyone would cry, including me. But it just creates a huge buying opportunity because I really believe in this thing long term, and I just think that I still think that this company is undervalued even at these prices. But that's just my opinion. Workhorse is I already talked about Workhorse. Shell, I think Shell is a big giant bubble. But even if I think it's a bubble, it doesn't matter. Market ultimately dictates where the stock price goes. Sony should have been really green today, but market was market's doing bad today. I just GameStop just makes no sense to me. But big money wants to pump it, so that's just the reality of it. Nikola doesn't make sense to me. And I have Sony up here again. I don't know why I have so many duplicates of stuff. Apple's recovering. iPhone 12 is coming up, so I don't know if I can. It's hard. It's just really hard with all these catalysts on the horizon, but I don't know. Market crashes. Apple's a bubble. $1.92 trillion. It could go like $60, $50. That would be an awesome opportunity to load up on Apple, a safe stock. Tesla, battery day. I already talked about that. AVCO, Avon Global, small market cap. It could go below $1, but it's green today a little bit. High Tide is just, actually I sold off some of my High Tide stock today and then I'll buy back in if it goes to like 15 cents because I really think this is an undervalued company. They're profitable. They're making a ton of money. The lower it goes, the better it becomes. Meta. Wow, Meta's green while High Tide is red, so that's kind of strange. Sony is green today. Not too much to say about. Why do I have so many duplicates? Aurora today down 8 cents. Not too much to say about that. I think Aurora is going down lower. It might be worth a little bit of a gamble near earnings date, but that's my opinion. You know, just a small gamble, just in case it does the skyrocket thing again. It makes no sense. Just in case, I don't know. It could just keep downtrending. Canopy Growth is down 16 cents today. Not too much to say about that. Afria is down a little bit. With market crash, we can see Afria down to $3 US. Tilray market crashes. We can see this thing at $2. Hot, yeah. What is Very doing today? Very is slightly recovering. Let's compare it to Beyond Meat. Beyond Meat is a little bit red today, but Beyond Meat had a nice little run lately. Could be a good shorting opportunity, in my opinion. MATS, Meat. Meat is trading sideways today. Let's look at some of the US MJ companies. Liberal Health Science, Neutral, Kira. Today is down 8 cents. Men is neutral. C-Web trading sideways. Actually, C-Web, I need to. Oh no. C-Web probably red in my. Oh, it's up. Interesting. Harv today down 2 cents. Planet 13. Oh, Planet 13 is a total bubble. If the market crashes, the first thing Planet like last market crash, Planet 13 went all the way down to $1. So yeah, and it's in a bubble, in my opinion. Liberal Health. What is it? Kira? GMHI. True is a bubble. Oh, True had a big correction today, but then it bounced. So yeah. Wow. Boom. Bounce. Oh yeah, True raised $100 million or something. That's probably the reason why it's under a little pressure. What else is there? GTI? What's GTI doing today? GTI down 43 cents. Cresco Labs down 23 cents. Anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.